in this Pioneer DJ CDJ 2000 Nexus 2 tutorial, loops. How to make a loop, how to extend a loop, how to shorten a loop, how to change the in point and out point of a loop. Also how to make an automatic loop, a 4-beat or an 8-beat loop, and the quantize function. And a really big warning for working with loops and the quantize function. With the loop function you can repeat certain parts of a song. That can be really useful if you're in your outro, for example, and you need a little bit more time to mix out, or if you want to do some special trickery. The loop section is over here. When I play a song, I'll zoom out a bit with the scroll button. I like this view. When I press play, I can set the in point and I can set an out point. On the first beat, I press the in point, and on the fourth beat, so the first beat of the next bar, I will set the out point. Now I have a perfect 4-beat loop. That is perfect because I activated the quantize function. When I exit the loop, the exit button is over here, and I do that without the quantize function off. I can set a loop between those beats. For example, I'm trying not to do it in the beat. Set the quantize off. You see, it's not a perfect loop. You can hear it. There is an automatic loop function for 4 beats, and that is over here. So when I'm playing a song and I press that button, you will see that it automatically makes a 4-beat loop. So I don't have to use the in point and the out point. And you see it automatically makes a 4-beat loop. I'll exit the loop. But you can also make an 8-beat loop automatically. So when I'm playing the song, I have to press the same button for 2 seconds. And you see it makes a 8-beat loop. But I can also cut this loop in half. So when I'm playing the song, I can press the same button and you see it now has an 8-beat loop, and I can cut this in 4. Now it makes a 4-beat loop. When I press this button again, it will half again to 2 beats. 1, half, a 4th, and a 16th, an 8th. I can press also the display to lengthen or to shorten the loop. There is one caveat to working with the quantize and loops. It will reboot the loop from the start. For example, I'm playing a song, I'll put the quantize on, and I change the length of the loop, then you'll see it jumps back. Now I have selected a 4-beat loop. When I want to extend that loop, I can press over here 8, for example. With the quantize on, it will continue playing. But with the quantize off, and I will shorten the loop or lengthen it, you will see it jumps back to the beginning of the loop. You see, I extend the loop, 8 beats, 4 beats, 2 beats, it starts right over at the beginning of the loop. When I'm in a loop and I'm not satisfied with my out point of the loop, I can change that out point if I like to. I'm making a loop. I made a loop of 4 beats. I can press the out point again and I can adjust that part. You see the music keeps continue playing, but the waveform stops. Now I can adjust this loop with the jog wheel. And I can also shorten it. And a lot of DJs on festivals use this trick. I can also change the in point of a loop, but the effect is not as dramatic as shifting the out point, because there are some limitations. I'll show you. I have an active loop right now, and I press the in point to change the in point. I can change it, but I can change it only so much. More CDJ 2000 Nexus 2 tutorials in my special playlist. I will link it up here in the end screen, but also in the description below.